Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you are doing well. Today, we're going to make a motorcycle game in Scratch. Before we start coding, let's quickly look at the Scratch interface so you know where everything is. That's way following along will be super easy. In this first step, we'll get familiar with the Scratch interface and prepare our projects by removing the default sprites. Now, this is our code area where my mouse currently is. These are the code blocks we will use to build the game. This is the stage area where everything happens. And down here is the sprite area where our characters and objects live. Now let's delete this default cat sprite since we'll be adding our own. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this, and that's it. We deleted the default sprite. Great, now our project is ready. Next, we will set up the backdrop and animate the road so it looks like the motorcycle is moving. See you in the next video.